Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 129 summary. Ukrainian artillery slammed into an ammunition depot somewhere behind the lines in the Luhansk region, causing a massive explosion. Someone in the Russian command chain is definitely not happy about this. We can now see a Panzerhaubitze 2000, one of the artillery systems that the Germans provided, now giving the Ukrainians some supporting fire on the front lines. We can then see that the artillery shells that Panzerhaubitze was firing were actually airburst, as you could see the shell explode high up in the air, and then the shrapnel comes down onto the tank and still destroys it. An incredible thing to know, the Ukrainians do have airburst shells. Here, a Russian tank explodes in a fireball. Looks like we were about to have a turret toss competition there, but I believe that one may be falling a little bit short. Not high enough, in my opinion. The tank now doesn't exist at all. In the next clip, we can see a Russian armored personnel carrier being hit directly in the side with an anti-tank weapon, and then the crew bails out and begins to run. We see the crew bailing out and taking a jog. In this video, we see the Ukrainian Bayraktars destroying some of the remaining equipment on Snake Island themselves. The Russians have also been trying to destroy as much equipment that they left as possible, but now we can see that the Ukrainians are even helping the Russians out and destroying their own equipment as of today. Another fiery explosion occurred, and you can actually see the ripple in the water from the shockwave. Very interesting. Please make sure to comment and subscribe, and I will see you all into the next video. Take care, and I hope to see y'all on the stream tonight.